Hello everyone, my name is Zohaib Nawaz Khan. I am currently pursuing my MBA in SPJN School of Global Management, which is a Tri-City program which is supposed to be Dubai, Singapore and Sydney. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we were not able to travel to Sydney because of the travel restrictions. However, I got a chance to spend about 6 months' time in Singapore, and what a fantastic city it is. So, the reason why I took up a global MBA is just to gain knowledge and increase my business acumen and to get exposure to global markets, and especially markets like Singapore, where it is a cultural and economical melting pot. We see people from all aspects of life and from all parts of the world working in Singapore. As we all know, Singapore has the highest per capita GDP in the world, with average household incomes of 70,000 US dollars. The most predominant races in Singapore are Chinese, Indian, and Malay. The spoken languages in Singapore is Mandarin, English, Tamil, and Malay language. You can see signs and boards all across Singapore in these four languages. Singapore has known to be the financial capital and the economic capital in the Southeast Asia region. It is the poster child for developing countries such as Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Even though Singapore has a very small land area, it is strategically placed and has international trade agreements with more than 150 countries across the world. It is it has one of the world's largest ports after China, with goods coming from all over the world. Singapore is known to be the financial capital in the region and has some of the most leading technologies when it comes to fintech companies. So there are a lot of banks such as OCBC Bank, DBS Bank, POSB, and other institutions as well. Uh, Singapore Singapore has been a great learning experience for us, and we have had a lot of fun during my stay here. The Global Learning Committee from SPJN has taken us on a fantastic journey to understand and see the sights and scenes of Singapore. So we first started by visiting the Universal Studios, which is a flagship adventure park from Universal, and we got a hands-on experience and my first roller coaster ride ever. It is a fantastic place to be, and it is a fun place to spend your time with your friends. Secondly, we went to the Arts and Science Museum in Singapore, where Singapore showcases some of its finest advancements in technology and arts as well. We have been to a lot of places in Singapore, visiting Chinatown, looking at the street food culture in Singapore, the cultural diversity, and all of these other places. So Singapore for me has been a life-changing experience, I would say, or once in a lifetime opportunity to see how people from diverse backgrounds come together to make something great happen. As you all know, Singapore got its independence very recently, but because of its outlook and how the government functions with less bureaucracy and very less corruption, Singapore has seen tremendous growth in the past few years. And just to talk a little bit about the college and how SPJN has created a niche for itself in the Singapore market. So our campus is located in the heart of the city, and we have lush green gardens and parks surrounding our campus. We have a huge property with playgrounds, tennis courts, football courts, and the hostel as well. It is very convenient for students who stay at the campus because our classes are just a hop, skip, and a jump away. And this program has been very grateful to us, even though the pandemic is there. Most of our classes happen online, and I would like to thank one and all for taking part in my journey and creating a lasting impression for me. Thank you, everyone. All the best.